Hello everyone! I'm outside today. Lately when I've been coming outside I've been seeing lots and lots of bees buzzing around. I like bees. Bees go from flower to flower collecting up their food, and they live in special houses called hives. This is a beehive, and this person is opening up the beehive to look at the bees inside. I'm going to make my hand into a beehive. Here is the hive. But where are the bees? Hiding away where nobody sees. Listen. Bzzz. Watch, and you'll see them come out of the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bzzz. If you see bees when you're outside, sometimes it can be scary and worrying, but try not to move or scream because that will make the bee feel scared too. Just stay really still and wait for the bee to buzz away.